Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. This is the second day of the first phase of Unlock 1. Now, many relaxations have been given under the Unlock 1. That is the effort by the central government to bring in normalcy after the 2 months long lockdown that was imposed in the country to contain the outbreak of coronavirus. We at HW News are bringing you this special video series where we summarize the entire day's coronavirus updates in brief for you. Globally, coronavirus has infected 72,19,186 people, 4,09,107 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 2,66,598 cases of coronavirus. 1,29,917 are active cases. 1,29,215 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 7,466 have died due to coronavirus. Now, the number of active cases and the number of recoveries are equal. In Mumbai, the number of infected has reached 50,000. 1,702 people have died in the city. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had a coronavirus test at his house in the morning today. It is being said that it will take 48 hours to get the report. His health had worsened since Sunday afternoon. He had mild fever and cough. Meanwhile, Maharashtra police said on Tuesday that no new cases have been found in the department in the last 24 hours. So far, 2,562 police and officers have been infected in the state. At the same time, 34 policemen have also died due to coronavirus. Let us now move on to important news of the day. BJP leader Jyotiraditya Scindia and his mother Madhvi Rajesh Scindia have tested positive for COVID-19 and have been admitted to Max Hospital in South Delhi's Saket. Jyotiraditya Scindia and his mother Madhvi Rajesh Scindia both have tested positive for the coronavirus. Both the BJP leader and his mother have been admitted to Max Saket for the last 4 days after Jyotiraditya Scindia developed symptoms of coronavirus. While Jyotiraditya Scindia has showed symptoms of coronavirus, his mother remains asymptomatic. Both of them are now undergoing treatment at the private hospital in Delhi. Earlier, BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra had also showed symptoms of coronavirus and was admitted to the Medanta hospital in Gurgaon. Sambit Patra was discharged on Monday. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also developed fever and sore throat. Kejriwal today underwent a coronavirus test. His test reports are now being awaited. Let us move on to next news. There is no community spread of coronavirus in Delhi, according to the central officials. Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, said, even as his cabinet colleague said, that half of the cases in the capital cannot be traced to any source. Now, Satyendra Jain told reporters this before the meeting at LG Anil Baijal's home. He said that we say community spread when people don't know how they got the infection. There are many cases. In 50% of the cases in Delhi, the source of the infection is not yet known. Now, community spread or the third stage of the coronavirus pandemic is when it is difficult to trace the source of infection. Sisodia also said that Delhi will have 5.5 lakh coronavirus cases by July 31 based on the current doubling rate of infection. COVID-19 cases are doubling every 12 to 13 days in Delhi. By the Delhi government's estimates, by June 15, there will be 44,000 cases, 1 lakh cases by June 30th and 2.25 lakh cases by July 15th. He said that the city will need 80,000 beds by then. Let us now move on to next news. The Supreme Court on Tuesday ordered the states and union territories to ensure registration of around 1 crore migrant workers at village and block levels to identify their employability and provide them jobs suitably in the home states. A bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan directed that the state administration shall collect all the relevant information about migrants who have come back with specific details on the kinds of jobs they were earlier associated with. It asked for skill mapping of the migrants who have come back and plans to give them employment now. The bench asked the states and union territories to gather pertinent information and submit in the court through their affidavits and schemes available to provide jobs to the migrants at native places. The bench, which also included Justice Sanjay K. Kaul and M.R. Shah, also set a deadline of 15 days for the centre and states to send back the migrant workers. It obligates the railways to provide a train within 24 hours of a demand being made by any state to ferry the migrant workers. Let us move on to next news. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation on Tuesday made amendments to the circular of extension of lockdown and revised guidelines on the measures to be taken in respect to easing of restrictions and phase-wise opening of the lockdown. As per the new guidelines, shops will now be allowed to stay open for the full working hours for 6 days a week except market complexes and malls. However, the shops will remain closed on Sundays. Earlier, shops were allowed to stay open till 5 p.m. only. However, all the shops and markets on one side of the road will open on one day, while those on the other side will open the next day, stated the circular. As per the revised guidelines, BMC has now allowed all the markets, market areas and shops to be functional for the full working hours from Monday to Saturday, except the market complexes and malls. The printing and distribution of newspaper are also allowed. Also, all private offices are allowed to operate up to 10% of the working strength in the office or 10 people, whichever is more. That's all for COVID-19 updates today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.